Hi guys, so welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to unbox another vintage bag. Ta-da! This is the Kipa Mini HL and its release, I think it was around 2000, year 2000, so it's 24 years old now. That's why it's actually a vintage. So this is the Speedy Mini in monogram, perfect condition. So yan yung sides. Ito yung sides. This is the back. It's really in good condition. So it's minimal lang siya, so it's I got lucky for this one. Ayan. I just This is TH0092, so it's year 2000. Diba? Gandang linis pa. Super linis. Balik na natin guys para hindi ma-deform. So ayan. I got lucky for this because mahirap na po maghanap ng ganito. Although marami naman sa website, puro ano lang, nagkakatalo na lang sa conditions of the bag. But this one, it's really in good condition. See, tingnan mo. Just this part. Pero hardware, parang walang tarnish. Walang masyadong watermark sa handle. Ayan. Hindi pa masyadong dark yung leather. Yeah. So ayan. And sinerte ako because this one doesn't come with a strap. But nung nabili ko, may kasama na siyang strap. Diba? Swerte. So ayan yung strap. It's very clean. It's also authentic LV strap. Walang watermarks. So I got lucky with this. And what fits in the bag? Patience. Just kidding. Ano bang kasya sa bag? I don't think kasya ang phone. Kasya ang phone if I don't think kasya. Kasya ang phone kung walang case, I think. Pero siksik na siya. So you can just use this for your wallet, small wallet or card holders, keys, or mga small things lang talaga. So yan, that's it. Normally, yung mga bagong Mini ngayon, Speedy Mini or Speedy Nano, mayroon siyang strap dito. I think it's a little bit bigger than this. So, ito, binibilan nila ng separate strap. So, ilalagay mo lang dito. Yan, kukunik mo dyan. Kukunik mo dito. Para magkaroon ka ng, pwede mo siyang gamitin na crossbody or whatever. Diba? So yun lang. Ganda. Ganda, diba? I'm so happy for this one. Ayan. Shut up na ako. That's it guys. Thank you.